హలో స్టూడెంట్స్, ఈరోజు మనం మీడియన్, ఇండివిజువల్ సిరీస్, ఈవెన్ నంబర్స్, సరి సంఖ్యల్లో మీడియన్ను ఎలా కనుక్కోవాలనే విషయాన్ని మనం నేర్చుకోబోతున్నాం. ఓకే, ఇన్ ద లాస్ట్ వీడియో you have learned how to find out median in individual series under odd number method. Now you are going to learn median in even numbers method. Okay, my dear students, let us do the problem. Okay, so here there are numbers. How many? 27, 31, 19, 35, 23, 16, 40, 46, 17, 37. There are 10 students. Okay, there are 10 students. That means 10 is an even number, just like 2, 4, 6, like that. Okay, you know the odd numbers 1, 3, 5, in that way. So here totally 10 students marks have been given. ఇక్కడ 10 మంది విద్యార్థుల యొక్క మార్కులు ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. ఓకేనా? సరి సంఖ్యలో వ్యక్తిగత శ్రేణిలో మధ్యగతాన్ని కనుక్కోవాలి మనం. ఓకే, సో ఫార్ములా ఈవెన్ నంబర్స్ లో కావచ్చు, ఆడ్ నంబర్స్ లో కావచ్చు, మీడియన్ కనుక్కోవాలి అంటే ఫార్ములా m is equal to n plus 1/2. Okay, so what are the steps to find out the median? First step is arrange the data in ascending order. Okay, ఆరోహణ క్రమంలో మనం దత్తాంశాన్ని అమర్చుకోవాలి. ఓకే, and next is apply formula. What is the formula? You already know that is m is equal to n plus 1/2. So the step is arrange the data in ascending order. So you know that ascending order means from small number to big number. Okay, my dear students, so what is the small number in this series? So here 27 is there, 31, 19, 35, 23, 16, 40, 46, 17, 37. I think first is 16, isn't it? So 16, and next 17. Okay, after that 19 is there. After 19, what comes next? So after 19, is it 23? Yes, 23. So 23, 27, after that 23, 27, next 31, after 31, okay, 35, 37, 40, 46, isn't it? Right. So there are 10 students and the marks are here. So how many students are there? First 10 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 students are there. That means the series is in even numbers. Okay, so let us apply the formula. What is the formula? M is equal to n plus 1/2. So that is equal to how many students are there? 10. 10 plus 1/2 is equal to 11/2. That is equal to, if you divide 11/2, that comes to 5.5th item. Okay, so you don't get a single number which we found in odd numbers. బేసి సంఖ్యలో లాగా ఒక సింగిల్ నంబర్ రాదు మనకు మీడియన్ గా. ఇక్కడ ఏముంది ఫిఫ్త్ ప్లేస్ లో ఏముంది నంబర్ ఇక్కడ 27 ఉంది, isn't it? 5.5 అన్నప్పుడు 5.5 అంటే ఏం తీసుకోవాలి మనం? We have to take sixth number also. Okay, so here the important thing which you have to understand is the median lies in between these two. The median lies in between fifth and sixth. That is the important thing you have to understand. Okay, my dear students. So now, okay, the median lies in between fifth and sixth. So here, what is the difference between sixth place and fifth place? So sixth place consists of 31 and fifth place consists of 27. So what is the difference between these two? Okay, so 31 minus 27 is equal to 4, isn't it? 31 minus 27 is equal to 4. So here this should be divided by 2. This should be divided by 2 because 5.5 no. 5.5 means the difference between these two is 4. In this 4 you have to take only half. So 4 into 1 by 2 is equal to how much? You will get 2. That should be added to 27. That is fifth place. Which number is in fifth place? So in fifth place 27 is there. Okay, we have obtained 5.5. The difference between 27 and 31 is equal to 4 because we have to take 5.5 or 5.5th item. So here the difference between 31 and the fifth and sixth place is equal to 4. In that we have to take half of that. So what is the half of 4? 4 into 1 by 2 is equal to 2, isn't it? This should be added to fifth place number 27 and that comes to how much? 29. So my dear students, median is equal to 29. That's all. Very simple. Okay. Students, there is another method also to find out median when you have given even numbers. That is, you have to add up these two numbers. That is fifth place. What is the fifth place? 27. Okay. Sixth place. What is the sixth place? That is 31. Okay. So 27 plus 31 is equal to how much? That comes to 58. Okay. So here 27 plus 31 by 2 is equal to how much? That is 58 by 2. Okay. 58 by 2 is equal to 29. In that way also you can find out the median. So m is equal to 29. Okay, this is second way. Okay, second method. Okay students, in this way you have to find out. Okay, thank you. So this is the problem under median, individual series, even numbers. Whatever the problem is there in even numbers, this is the technique you have to adopt. Okay, my dear students, now I have given two problems as homework assignments. I request you to do those two problems. Okay, let me show those two problems. So these are the two problems. Okay, these are the two problems which you have to work out, because as we said earlier, practice makes you perfect, isn't it? So these are the two important problems. Please, after listening to that problem, after watching that problem, after working out that problem, I request you to do two more problems. Okay, thank you for watching this video. We will meet with the next video. Until then, have a nice time. Thank you so much.